Good day, everyone. I am Abdul Hakim Muhammad, my name, and I'm a founding level student of chemical engineering at Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. My innovation is called GABATA. So, GABATA is just a platform that is tailored exclusively for Nigerian students. So, GABATA can be found at the web address www.gabata.com.ng. So GABATA is a platform. It's not just a platform, it's an innovation that is exclusively created for Nigerian students. As we know, in Nigeria, we need topmost access to resources. It is very crucial to have learning resources that we can be able to use for our academic pursuit and career success. So we created GABATA in order to provide necessary learning materials, necessary career resources that each Nigerian needs to be successful in their career and in their academic pursuit. So we created GABATA, which includes a forum. On GABATA, we have a forum. You can see we have a forum whereby each student will be able to share their own ideas, ask questions from those that are already in the field, so that they will be mentored. They can be able to find a mentor on GABATA and tell them what they need to do in order to be successful in that academic pursuit that they found themselves to be. As you can see, we have, and one thing about GABATA is we created a guidelines that anybody can be able to use. So GABATA is user friendly and anybody can come on GABATA and be able to use GABATA effectively without having any issue. So we created this trend on how to use GABATA effectively. So if each user will be able to read this and they'll be able to use GABATA effectively. So we have the academic app, we have the admission updates, we have the AI tools, we have the career and job opportunities, free online courses whereby every student will be able to have access to premium courses and they'll be able to learn at the comfort of their home. So we have the freelancing, we have the learning and education, we have how they can be able to make money online without doing illegal activities. So we have the mentorship and networking. As we know, in Nigerian, having a mentor is something that is very crucial for all Nigerian students. So we provide this space for everybody that needs a mentor to be able to find their own mentor. So we have the NYC, so that people will tell us more about the NYC experience, how they will be able to get the state they want. So we have the productivity, how you can be productive. So we have the programming, those that want to learn anything about programming, anything about test skills, they'll be able to find what they can learn on GABATA. So we provided scholarship also, very scholarship update, how they can apply for scholarship, how they can write their own statement of result, how to pass GRE, how to pass SAT, and everything that you need to pass their scholarship application. So we have the school news. So we provide daily school news and up-to-date school news. So we have the school handout and resources. So we gather each handout of different schools, like let's say ATB as an example. We provided the handout for each department to students, so that any student from other school will be able to have access and learn more about his or her skill, his or her courses. So you have the software development, you have tech trends and news, you have the technology market review, and we have the verified job, whereby each student will be able to find a verified job that is 100% remote, so they will be able to apply for it with the skills they learn on GABATA. So we also have the group. So each members can be able to create a group. So we provide a group for each student, so and any student can come on GABATA and create their own group too. So there are some available groups here that each student can join. So they can join the group of their schools, and they can decide to create their own, they can decide to create their own group. So you can see we have the North Hub, we have the Basso group, we have the SUG ATB, we have Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. So this group is mainly for students, so that they will be able to connect with their peers, share their own experience, share their own updates, learn from others, and be able to network with others to build connection. So if we click here, so most of all these groups are closed groups, so we need to register before we can join. We need to register, and we need to, you can see this is a private group. To join, you must be registered as a SEC members and request for group membership. So that is the group, and we provided a marketplace for all the Nigerian students, whereby they can be able to buy and sell from the comfort of their home without moving outside the school. As we know that when Nigerian students, we find it difficult to go outside and buy it by ourselves, so we make it easier for each student to buy any goods that they want within the vicinity of their schools. So if we check the marketplace, so let's check the marketplace, make it make everything easier for students to be able to like buy from the comfort of their home. So we have the brown beans here, so we have the cassava flour, we have the flour, we have the gari, we have the spag, we have the rice, we have the mekumbo. So they can be able to like buy anything here and it will be delivered to their doorstep. Maybe they are living in hostel or they are living in off, so you have made the provision that each student will be able to like buy it within their school vicinity. So and the delivery fee is very okay. So in order to do that, they just need to like add to cart. So they have added to cart here, so we are going to view our cart. So after viewing our cart, if we are convenient with this, we can just proceed to check out. And if we have our coupon, so we can enter our coupon code here. So proceed to check out. So we just need to enter our details here. We need to enter our details, enter the town, enter the state we are, so enter our phone number, and it will be shipped to our doorstep. And we made a provision for the payment. We are using stack, pay stack for our payment gateway, so they will be able to like pay online. And we offer payment on delivery also, so we all offer payment on delivery. And we have make it easier for students that are already selling in the school, so we make it easier for them to become a vendor, so they will be able to sell directly on GABATA to each schools. So and the first thing to do when we are on GABATA, the first thing to do is we need to create an account. So we need to create an account by clicking on register. So now let's say I want to create an account now. So what does no need to do, let me see, I want to create my account and I want to use my account name as, let's say, Muhammad 97. So my email address, let's say I want to use Muhammad Abdul Hakim 63 at gmail.com. So this is my email address. So I want to use, so my password, let's say I want to use this password. So if you are not sure of the password that we entered, we can press this I button to reveal the password so that we'll know. And we can see the password indicator, the strength indicator here. So it's telling us that the password is strong. So if the password is not strong, it is advisable for us to change the password. So HARKUMEH87 hat. So this is my password and it's matched. If it's not matched, so let me click on, you see mismatch, so it means it's not matching. So it's matched like this. So what I just need to do is to click on submit. So I'll just need to click on submit. So what I just need to do now is to go back to my email and verify my account. So let me go back to my email, refresh it. So we can see GABATA email verification. So Muhammad 97, dear Muhammad 97. So what I just need to do is to click on this button. So it's loading. So your account has been activated. That means I've verified my account. So your account has been activated. Dear Muhammad 97, your account has been activated. So it means my account has been activated. So I can. So what I just need to do is to enter the username I used. I used Muhammad 97. Login. So as I am now logging. So what I just need to do first is to click on this menu icon and go to my account. So let me click on my account. So on GABATA, we make it easier for our members to be able to upload their profile picture, to be able to like give us their own data. So the first thing they can do is to click on this icon to change their profile picture. So let me change my profile picture. So this is my, so what I just need to do is to select your file. So let's say I want to use this as my profile picture. So it will give us the, so let me use it like this. So your new profile photo has been uploaded successfully. So my profile picture has been uploaded successfully. So the other thing I need to do is to come back to view and update my biodata so that people that are visiting my profile on GABATA will be able to see what I am doing, what I am best for, what is my expertise. So I'll just come here and click on edit. So I'll come here and click on edit. So after clicking on edit, so I'll be able to like edit my profile. You can see name required, so I can write my full name here, the name of my institution, the department, my department, what I'm studying, my level. So we have the GitHub profile, so you can add your GitHub profile, you can add your about me, you can add your LinkedIn profile, your Twitter profile, your Facebook profile, and your Behance profile. The main reason we are doing this is to build more skills, to build more tech skills, to build more tech creators, not only tech consumers. So we want to make Nigerian students to be tech creators. So that when people come across their profile on GABATA, they will be able to like employ them, they will be able to like give them project, they will be able to like give them gigs, so they'll be able to like be self-employed. So another thing that we are offering on GABATA is that each member will be able to like create a blog post. So just like a small medium whereby they can be able to express their own experience, they can be able to share their own experience, they can be able to teach others through blog posts. So in order to create a blog post, they will just click on this blog. So you can see it has zero. It means this user does not have any blog created. So I can just go on blog. So after creating on blog, you will see you have not posted anything yet. So in order to create a new blog, so I just need to click on this new blog. So we made it easier for members to be able to create their own blog, and the blog post can be used as a portfolio, as a writing portfolio for maybe you have a content writer, you have a creative writer, we have an arts copy. So they will be able to like use this their Gabata profile and submit the link as a portfolio so that the employer will be able to check if they are the real writer of the article. So here they'll be able to like create the title, they'll be able to like write the content of the blog post here, they'll be able to choose the category, and they can create another category by clicking this plus icon, and you can be able to add the image. You can be able to like the image, the feature image that is going to be the first one to be shown on the blog post. So and after they are done, they will just click on this create a new blog post, and then boom, they have been able to like the blog post will be published immediately. It's just like someone is using Medium or they are using Quora. So this is just an a replica of Quora, but this is mainly for Nigerian students. Another one we can do is, let's say this user is already selling a product in a school. Let's say for example, as I am in Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University selling teaching, I'm already into selling and buying of foodstuff. So I'm already selling foodstuff to my friend. So I can just come here to my account here and click on the marketplace and click on my account to check my selling account. So after coming here, what I just need to do is to click on my account. So on that my account, I'll be able to see a button to become a vendor on GABATA. So to become a vendor, so I will just click on this become a vendor to be able to sell product, and I'll be able to manage a store with a vendor dashboard. So let's see the process. So now in order to create update account to vendor, so what I just need to do is to enter my first name. So I will just click on this become a vendor. So after that, let's go. It's just a wizard that will take the vendor to know what they need to do on GABATA. So now store setup. So what they just need to do is to set up their store. So the street they are in, the state name, so they'll be able to write everything. So you can just write the shop address. So the country, let me pick the country. So the country, we are only selling to Nigerians. So the state, I'm in Bauchi. So let's see, we have already made it to be, since we are already present in Bauchi now, that's why we have the Bauchi available only. So I'll just click on continue. So my email, so we are paying through PayPal and through bank transfer. So we are paying through PayPal and bank transfer. So in order to do that, you just enter your, if you have a PayPal account, you can enter your PayPal account. So and click on continue. Although these are not compulsory, so the users, the vendor has the access to re-enter it and edit it and change everything. So go to your dashboard, so let me go to my dashboard now. So that means this user has been able to become a vendor, but this user cannot be selling now except the admin approve the vendor application. You can see error, your account is not enabled for selling, please contact the admin. So the admin has the access to, is the only admin that has the access to approve this account to be selling. So these are the things that can be done on GABATA. So if I go to the front page now, so if I go to the front page on GABATA here, so this is the front page. So I can be able to add friends, I can be able to message them, I can be able to like interact with them, I can be able to ask them questions. So like now let me take as an example. So this is my friend here, Akume97. So let me click on his profile and check his profile. So this Akume, so I can be able to like add him as a friend. So cancel friend request and private message. So when I will be able to like have an access to send him a private message is when he has accepted my friend request. So here is just to show message, this icon is to show message, and this one is to show notification. You can see no notification is found. And one of the uniqueness of GABATA is that we are trying to make Nigerian students to be creator of technology, to be creator of tech. So we made it, we restrict uploading of direct image. Why do we do that? Is because since we know one of the important things, one of the first programming languages that most of us learn is HTML. So we want all of us to like put all what we have learned to practice. So that's why we made direct uploading of image, we made it not available, but uploading of image is still possible by just writing some little codes of HTML, and that's not even compulsory. So the user can just come to this, can come to they can come to forum and read about how to use GABATA, and they will be able to like know how they can upload images on GABATA, as we have many images on GABATA. So like now let's say I want to post on AI tools, I want to like share some AI tools that people need to know. So I will just come here to GABATA and click on the AI tools and go down and create. As you can see, this button is used for to bold, this is used for italic, this is used to create link, this is for the bill code, this is used for the delete. So all the HTML tags that we know, so it's present here. So if we want to like upload an image, so what we just need to do is to click on this image. So is to click on this image. So after clicking on this image, so let's say I want to use a Google image as an example. So what we used to do is we used to host our website. We used to host our this thing, our images on another platform. So the platform we used to use is called Snipboard. So what the user just need to do is to come here and type Snipboard. So Snipboard. So this is Snipboard. So let's say I want to upload an image to GABATA. So I'll just pick a file. Click on pick a file on Snipboard. So let me click on this job opportunity. So I will upload it on Snipboard. So I'll just copy. I will need to copy the link generated by Snipboard. So I'll just copy the link and come back to GABATA where I want to post my image. So I'll just click here where I want to add the image. So click on images. So I will enter the image I copied, I uploaded on Snipboard. So paste. So I will press OK. So description, this is the alternate button that we know. So let me just use Obo. So okay. So when I need to like write a topic here, so let me write NYSC intern needed. So when I click on this notify me or follow up via reply. So whenever people are replying to this email, to this trend on GABATA, so I'll be receiving email. So let me click on submit email. So this is it. This is the what we have created. So what we just created now. So NYSC intern. So let's go to the front page. So the image is going to load. So as you can see, the image is load now. You can see this is the image that we uploaded. So you can see the image has been uploaded. So for those that have the knowledge of HTML, so I can just come here or I can go to any group and maybe I want to upload image directly. I don't want to upload it on a forum. I just want to upload it on my account. So what I just need to do is to write the normal HTML code, which is image src, which is equals to so so if I like I can enter my alternate button, but that's not compulsory. So as you can see, this is the image I just uploaded now. So you can see we have two images. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So if you still have the knowledge of HTML, if you have people that have the knowledge of HTML, so they can be able to like style the image, they can be able to like use it to be a link, they can be able to like add a table, they can be able to like style it using CSS, using HTML, and they can even add a little JavaScript function. So they can be able to create a link, they can be able to create a list, they can be able to create a table, they can be able to like embed a video, they can be able to like embed music, they can be able to like embed documents. So if they have the, but if they don't have that, don't knowledge, you have created a forum that they will be able to like a guidelines that will guide them on how to use GABATA effectively. So this is how to use GABATA. So if I go back and load more, let me load more to see another profile of someone. So let's say this is Muhammad Abdul Hakim. So let me click on his profile here. So I can still be able to like add Abdul Hakim as a friend. So I can add Abdul Hakim as a friend. So those are the things that can be done on GABATA. So GABATA make it easier for Nigerian students to collaborate, to engage, to interact, and share beneficial information to each other. So they will be able to like get topmost resources, topmost academic success. So in order to be successful in their as an admin of the website, so I can be able to see the new registration. So as you can see here, that you see me new user registration as at 4202. So I can check the members that just joined our platform. So we will check this. So you can see Muhammad 97, and this is the email address. So and I will, since this Muhammad Abdulhakim I registered as a vendor, so you can see a new vendor has been registered. So this is only shown to the admin of the website. So I'm the admin of the website, so I will be able to receive anything that is going on, maybe new user registration, maybe new vendor registration, maybe a member purchase a product on the website, and anything that is going on the website. As the admin, I'll be able to have access to all what is going on. So this is, I received a message that Muhammad Abdul Hakim posted an update. So he posted, and you can see the title NYSC intern needed. So I'll be able to receive all what is going on the website. Either I subscribe to the forum or I don't subscribe to the forum. All what is going on the website, I'll be able to have immediate and up-to-date access to everything and what is going on. So I will be able to like moderate. I'll be able to moderate it if the forum needs to be deleted. So I'll be able to delete it and do all those sort of things. So thank you so much.